In this new tutorial, we are presenting the new Xbench integration with memoQ introduced in Xbench 3.0 Build 1227, segment positioning support. In other words, Xbench can now interact more easily with memoQ. From the Xbench application, you will be able to open in memoQ the exact segment you are viewing in Xbench and make any appropriate changes. So there is no need to find the text manually within memoQ. Let's see how to do it. This is a memoQ environment. We have created a sample project which has already been translated, and we want to perform a QA using Xbench. As you can see, the project contains 5 files and we need to have them loaded on Xbench as ongoing translation, as you might know. The necessary step for this segment positioning feature with memoQ is to create a single view containing all documents we want to check. So in memoQ, we select the appropriate files, right-click on them and select Create View. We have to give a name to that view, for example to Xbench. We only need to glue the documents together. OK, and the view is created in a different tab. Now we need to export that view choosing memoQ xlif as the bilingual format. The view must be open in memoQ to enable segment positioning. This is important because segment positioning can be done only on the active document. The next step is to have this exported view loaded on Xbench as ongoing translation, so we can drag the file to the Properties window. It is recognized as a memoQ file, set as ongoing translation, and it is ready to go through a QA check. This is the list of QA results. Let's fix the first error we have spotted. With the appropriate segment highlighted, we can do right-click, Edit Source, or use the key shortcut Ctrl-E. Xbench will lead us to that specific segment in memoQ, where we can do any necessary corrections. When you type in a view, you are in fact typing in the documents that you chose for the view. To go back to the Xbench QA window, you can simply use the Alt-Tab combination. Now we want to edit this other segment. We do Edit Source, and here we have it, ready to be modified in memoQ. Segment positioning also works from the Search view, if you want to open any specific segment. Of course, after doing a first QA run, we may want to make sure that no further errors are left, so we export the updated view in bilingual format again. And refresh the Xbench content with Project Refresh Content, or F5. Remember, create view of all the files we need to QA. Export that view in bilingual format. Open the view in memoQ. load the exported view in Xbench as ongoing translation, and perform the QA as usual. With edit source, the exact highlighted segment will open in memoQ. Hope it is useful for memoQ users. Thanks for watching.